Hello everyone. So this is my project 3 with my partner AZ. We finished it quite early, I would say. I mean, I only used 2 days to finish it in total and check off everything. So let me pull it up first. Um, okay, so let's run it quickly. Okay, so this is our game, I would say, and instructions are pretty simple. Press enter for a new world, and then you enter some seed number like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you end that with the S. That way you would create an entirely new world, a new randomly new world based on that seed number that you entered. And yeah, let's just show off. So let's 1, 2, 3. Let's say my seed number is 1, 2, 3, and then I press S. You can see I have a randomly generated world. So this is my character, you, and it's shown on the HUD item on the left upper right corner. You also see that these are walls. Obviously, you can't go into it. Let's say if I want to like press W a few times, you can see over here that I'm trying to go over there. It doesn't allow me, but if I use any other key, it is allowing me to freely move around. As use other different objects like flower or wall or me, yeah, you can see different kind of things. You can also see nothing, which here is like a black screen over here. The main goal of this mini game, I guess, is just to like collect all the flowers that after you collect all 15 of them, then you would win essentially. Um, and if also you want to like make your journey a bit harder, you can press H so that you can only see a portion of the map. But yeah, for example, I can't really see what I'm doing right now. Well, have I been here before? Yeah, I think this is where I started. Yeah, but the general sense is like this, yeah. So yeah, apparently there aren't any flowers here. Yeah, also you can press H again to like unhard that process. Yeah. Obviously I now know where the flowers are. And yeah, my score is number 6, means that I've collected 6 flowers. As I collect 1 flower, the score increases by 1. Yeah. And let's say if I don't know, I don't want to play this game anymore. I want to like study 6-1B or data 8 or whatever that is. You just press the columns and X after that. Now you essentially you quitted the game. Also, you also saved the game. And let's say, oh, I finished my data 8 review, which is what I just done like a few minutes ago. Let's say if you want to load the previous one that I played. Okay, L, and you see your progress is all saved. So the flowers you collected has already been collected for you, and your score is still number 9. You can continue to play with this. Okay, so yeah. So yeah. Okay, now we just 1 flower left to win the game, and that will be it. Okay. Now in case you're saying, oh, that might not be randomly generated or something like that, let's just press another C number. As you see, it's entirely new map. For some reason, there's 2 flowers again with each other, and yeah, you can see that there's different kinds of structures that you can see. I guess I will do this again, but let's say if again I don't want to play this game, you quit the game. You again, maybe a few days later, you realize, oh, I want to play the game. You can also change the language, by the way. So let's say if I want Chinese, which is what I like to speak, Japanese, French, Spanish, did I get them wrong? Whatever. Or let's say you don't want to play, you just don't want to play. You just saw the menu and you just want to quit immediately. Queue. Okay, you quit it. Okay, let's load the previous game and continue our journey. So yeah, that's basically it. I mean, each time you will randomly generate a new world, and you can collect your flowers all along way your way and exploring this mini 2D world. I guess I guess in a sense it's similar to Genshin. You're exploring your way. Yeah, and then I mean it's a mini project, and you can see there's pretty weird structures. Like here, for some reason, there's like this really weird, like snaky structure. It's all right. Apparently, I missed something. What the fuck? Yeah. Okay. Well, let's say if I for some reason have to go to the bathroom, quit, and then immediately I press L, and then I quit, and I collect it, and then win. That's basically my project right here. I don't think there's any much more need to explain. Maybe my code a bit. I mean, yeah, the main method is here. That's not surprising, not interesting at all. But yeah, maybe the engine is where I wrote a ton of code. It's like 600 lines. Also have a unique room Java file, which also took up like 200. It was a pretty interesting project. That's pretty much it.